Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to transfer money from Paysafecard to PayPal. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go and log in into your Paysafecard account. Now if you don't have an account, simply click on sign up and then simply create your free Paysafecard account. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply order the MasterCard from Paysafecard. As you can see, now they have available this new card. So you have the classic and the gamer one. So this is for Paysafecard account users age 18 and over, and this one here is for users age 16 and over. So you're gonna have to choose either the classic one or the gamer one. Now keep in mind that this new feature and this card is available in these countries here, so you're gonna have to make sure that your country is eligible for this. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to PayPal and then go to wallet, and then simply click on a link a card, and then simply add those card information, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.